Introducing the latest innovation to hit the world of air sanitation on public transport. The technology used in operating theatres has been customized to sterilize every type of bacteria, fungus, spore or virus on public transport. Easy to install and only requiring simple annual maintenance, it kills up to 99.99% of infectious agents in the vehicle. The laboratory BIOLEADER performed comparison tests on air samples taken from inside a bus run by BUSCOMPANY, Piedmont's leading public transport company, before and after the installation of virus killer. The analysis corroborated the effectiveness of the treatment and showed a significant improvement in air quality. The sanitiser virus killer, already used by the world's largest bus manufacturer, has passed all comparison tests with flying colours. A new campaign of tests and activities is set to begin soon to officially prove its effectiveness, including against COVID-19. Its efficacy is guaranteed by 3 different pathogen-killing technologies: iron high-voltage pulse technology, an ultraviolet C (UVC) germicidal lamp used in the medical field, and a photocatalytic air purifier. These 3 elements combine to form a single filter. When mounted on the recirculation suction nozzle, it filters and sends purified air to the air conditioning system, which is then cooled and circulated around the vehicle. This not only rids the air of infectious agents, but also purifies the air by removing fine dust, pollen, and bad odors. A control panel continuously monitors the effectiveness of virus killer, which every 2 minutes purifies the new air that enters the bus every time the doors are opened, guaranteeing clean air for operator and passengers alike. Virus killer makes your public transport safe for you to use again with confidence.